In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a discount on Square. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your dashboard, then you want to click on Items and Services. You want to go into Items, and then down here, if you scroll down, you can find Discounts. So you want to click on Discount, and from here to create a discount, you want to simply click on this Create a Discount button, and from here, you can create one. So you can give it a name over here. For example, I'm going to name this one 20% off like this. Then you have to select the amount type, either in dollars or of course variables or variable percentages or simple percentage. So I'm going to go percentage over here, which is going to be 20%. So I'm going to do 20 over here, and there we go. You can also set locations if you wanna. I'm going to leave it like it is. And then here you can do different discount rules. So you can make them for quantity, customer groups, items or categories, etc. I'm just going to turn these off. And then here you also have the options which allow you to set maximum discount value. So the maximum value over here is going to be $100, and of course you can show the advanced settings where you can basically require a passcode or apply discount after taxes if you want to do that too. Then simply click on the save button top right, and there we go. You've successfully created a discount on Square. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.